Alright, let's do an unboxing of this nice tool. So I'm going to show you closely. So as you can see here, we have the it's PCL901B as Bravo. So the one that you see here on the corner. So in my history, I had a few of them. I had a Ryobi, the old model. I had not Milwaukee, rigid. They have some pros and cons. So as you can see here, it says powerful push force, reduce fatigue, constant control, 200 tubes per charge, but it doesn't say how big the battery will be. Here at the back it says it's in French and it's in Spanish. So 18 volts, 296 milliliters, and control constante. Okay, it doesn't say in English. Okay, so in English only in the front. So basically, that's it. I mean, I don't see any other specs here. So I'll show you the product. I took it out of the box already. Here we have it. So the good thing about this product is that you can remove this very easily. So it looks like the ryobi one and not like the rigid one. So here basically you can put the tube, you can put it back in, and that's it. The only downside with this type of tools is that if the glue gets inside of the these teeth that you see here, you're going to have issues. It's going to stop working. I had one like that stopped working. Here we have the dial to control the speed. Here you can pull it out, so that way you can put the new cartridge, push it back in, and that's it. And we are going to connect the battery, so that way you can hear the motor working. It's not that it's not that noisy. It's normal. So it's not like a drill or impact driver or anything like that. So basically push, and it goes little by little. I didn't try it yet, but it seemed like it goes well. So it has a lot of strength. So if you want to go slower or faster, so like that is super fast. Like this one, it will barely move, as you can see. The main thing, I mean, you will see some of them, like the Milwaukee, I think it will push, it will not go back or something like that, so that way, or it will go back just a little bit, so that way, it will not get spilling the silicone glue, whatever. So here you have the piercing mechanism, the nail, so that way you can open up the thing, and that's it. I mean, there is not much than that with this. So the only thing I don't like is it doesn't have the hook, on the side. I know most people, they will not use a hook. Some of them, they have like a hook in this area, but as you can see here, there is no hook, nothing at all. So at least for me, usually I don't need a hook, but sometimes it's nice to have it. As usual, I am in US. If you need tools or electronics, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I can leave you in the video description the link, so that way you can buy it. And I'll be testing it, and I'll see how it goes. As usual, you can go to my playlist in my YouTube channel if you want to keep learning about tools. I have everything over there. Use the computer, don't use a cell phone. You will have a better experience. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.